What up scrollers, and in this video we're gonna be seeing that how you guys can install Battleground Mobile India on your iOS devices. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the video itself. So as you guys know that if you are going to your app store and going to the search and just search your Battleground Mobile India, and you will be seeing no results of Battleground Mobile India on your iOS devices. So here's the thing, you can download that thing on your app store. Is I have provided the links down below in the description, and you have to just go to that link. So you'll open the official website of pubg Mobile India. Once you're over here, then you have to just tap on the download on this app store. Once you'll click that, it will redirect your page and it will take it to your app store. Once you are here, you'll be able to see the icon and you can just click on get, and that's how you can install Battleground Mobile India on your iOS devices. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button, so please like and subscribe. Peace out.